Hi everyone, my name is Ksenia and I've been studying chemistry for over 15 years. On this channel I talk about the most important chemical topics briefly and in simple words. In this video I will explain what octet rule is and how to use it. The rule tells us that many atoms strive to have 8 electrons in their outer shell. Imagine an atom wanting to be happy. And to do so, it needs to have 8 electrons on the outside. In this case, the atom is in a pleasant state with a complete outer electron shell. When atoms form chemical bonds and exchange electrons with other atoms, they try to achieve this happy state. For example, oxygen atoms have 6 valence electrons in their outer energy level. And to achieve an octet, they need 2 more electrons. In chemical reactions, they take it from other atoms. That's why oxygen atoms don't exist alone. They form a molecule with another oxygen atom. Let's see how this happens. I'll use Lewis diagrams to show what happens to the electrons and how a bond forms. I explained this in more detail in the Lewis structure video, so check it out. One oxygen atom with 6 valence electrons interacts with another atom. As a result of this reaction, an oxygen molecule is formed. Here are the Lewis structures for the first and the second oxygen atoms, each with 6 valence electrons. After this reaction, a double bond forms between the oxygen atoms in the oxygen molecule. In this double bond, 4 electrons are shared evenly between the 2 atoms. Now each oxygen atom has a filled outer electron shell. Look, this atom has 4 electrons here and 4 bonding electrons, making a total of 8. The situation is the same for the second oxygen atom. These bonding electrons are shared and the atoms evenly divide them. Some atoms, on the other hand, give away the valence electrons to also achieve a state with 8 outer electrons. For example, the sodium atom. It always has 1 valence electron, which it easily gives away in chemical reactions. Now it also has 8 electrons in its outer energy level. But now it is the second, not the third energy level. Here is what the Lewis diagram looks like for the sodium atom. And here how it looks for the sodium ion, which has lost its valence electron. To understand whether an atom will give away or take electrons from others, you can use a simple rule. Metals always give away their valence electrons. Non-metals take electrons from metals or share it with another non-metals. But in general, non-metals will always complete the electron shell with additional electrons, and metals will give them away. That's it for today. To better understand this topic, watch the breakdowns of different types of chemical bonding. Like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss new episodes. And see you later!